Okay guys, today is I guess Tuesday, April 21st, and this is the homework check for the worksheet, page 11-4, problems 1 through 24 is what we're checking. Okay, I'm just going to be listing answers here. This is the review after spring break, just to kind of get your brain back in mode with the Pythagorean theorem, finding legs, hypotenuse. We do have a quiz this week. The quiz is on Thursday. So we'll review today. We're going to do a little bit of something new for word problems for a couple of days and take the quiz on Thursday. Just going to give answers today. Number 1, I got 75. Number 2, I had 36. Number 3, I've got 30. Number 4, I had 15.75. You might have rounded it 15.8. Number 5, I had 9.85. Number 6, I had 70. Number 7, I had 35. Number 8, I have 8. Number 9, I have 39. Number 10, I have 12. Number 11, I have 13. Number 12, I have 10 and 39 hundredths, 10.39. Number 13, I had 11.70. Number 14, I have 12.81. Okay, I'm going to work out a few of these. By the way, if you missed any of these problems here, you probably added when you're supposed to subtract, or subtract when you're supposed to add, or maybe you forgot to square the number. That's the common mistakes on all Pythagorean theorem problems. So if you missed one of these problems, go back and see if you were supposed to add when, or if you added when you were supposed to subtract, or subtracted when you were supposed to add. That's, again, something to check. 15, I'll work. I'm going to work a couple of these out. 15, I've got an A and a B, which means I want to add. So if I got the legs, trying to find hypotenuse, I'm going to do 19 squared plus the square root of 39 squared. And I know this is 361. This is just, remember, 39 is all we get in here. That looks like it's going to be exactly 400 to me. And then we square root that, so we should be getting 20. Or 15 is 20, right? Remember, if you're squaring a square root, you just get the number that's under the radical sign as the answer. The square root of 39 is technically 6 point something. When you square it, you get the 39 back. If you square root that number and look at the decimal and round it, and then you square it, you get a decimal answer. You're not going to get 20 here. You're going to get 19 point something. It makes a mess of your problems. It's a whole lot easier if you just don't use the calculator to square root. Okay, 16, 17, 18 are all the same way. 16, I got 6.93. 17, I had 9. And 18, I got 5. I mean, it's the square root of 6 and the square root of 19. Squared, these are both legs. Square those and add them, we get 6 plus 19 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5, right? I mean, it's pretty easy problem. Don't need a calculator for it. At the bottom, we got the yes/no answers again. You're going to determine whether the following side measures form right triangles, justify your answer. Your work for justification. Number 19 is yes. Number 20 is no. Number 21 was a no. 22 was a yes. 23 was a yes. 24 was a yes. Okay? Alright, so for today, I think you had to check this video, use a video to check your homework. We're going you got to watch another video on the lesson with word problems, and you're going to have a homework assignment today. It's going to be a worksheet. It's only got 8 problems. It is worksheet 3-4, and it's problems 1 through 8. Okay, that's what you're going to do for today. All right.